everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel.
You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart.
So in last week's vlog, I did a meal prep. If you guys haven't seen last week's vlog, I will link it down below. So I am on a weight loss journey right now. I've been consistently on my weight loss journey since August of 2024, and we are still going strong. I'm going to be meal prepping breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I like to have a breakfast in the morning because I'm on the go really quick. I commute downtown to the city, so I need to have my breakfast kind of like already made, so I'm not cooking it in the morning because I rather take that time to get ready in the morning and put together an outfit. For lunches, I usually stick to something super simple like a salad and make some chicken, which I will show you guys all of that. And then for dinners, I like to have a meal already made for dinner because I usually come from work, get off the train, go straight to the gym, and then come home later on, and it's already late by then. I don't want to cook a meal by then. So I'm going to show you guys this week's meal prep. You know, down below if you want to see more meal prep videos, and I can definitely do that for you guys, but I wanted to make a whole separate meal prep video. So let's go ahead and get into this week's meal prep. All right, so for breakfast, we're making little breakfast sandwiches. So I have 2 bell peppers, some egg whites. I decided to go with Gouda cheese because the macros on it are really well. I mean, 5 grams of protein, we love. Carb Smart English muffins. So I'm just cutting up these 2 bell peppers. I realized that I probably could just use 1, but I did cut up 2. And then I'm just going to make the egg whites in a pan. I'm literally making like 1 big pancake, throwing the peppers in there. You can add spinach, whatever you want to add veggies in there. And then I just make them into like pancakes essentially, and then split it into 4. I did 4 breakfast sandwiches because I go in office 4 days a week. So I just wanted those days to be quick on the go breakfast. So now I'm just assembling the breakfast sandwiches and putting the egg on there, and then I'm going to throw the Gouda cheese on, and then I'm going to throw them in the oven at 350 for like 5 minutes to get that cheese melted, and then wrap them up and you're good to go. You can customize these however you want. Add bacon, add Canadian bacon, whatever you want. You can make your breakfast sandwiches how you like them. All right, moving on to lunch, I always bring a salad with like a side of fruit. So I'm taking my chili lime seasoning and paprika yet again. I also wanted to show you guys the salads that I get. They're from Taylor Farms. I usually have this cheddar ranch one or the Caesar, and I usually do half a pack of this a day. So this lasts me 4 days for lunch. These are my favorite, Caesar and cheddar ranch. You can get whatever kind you like at your grocery store, whatever they sell. Then we're going to go ahead and prep our chicken. I'm just going to pound out the chicken a little bit. This helps it make it tender. And then I'm going to be also cutting off the excess fat on the chicken because I don't like that and it just grosses me out. And then I'm just going to take my normal steps that I do, chili, lime, paprika, throw this chicken into the air fryer at 375 for 20 minutes. I flip them over at 10 and it is absolutely perfect every single time. And then again, do not come for me chopping up my chicken into little tiny bits. I am a child at heart, but this is how I like my salad, and it makes it super easy to pack up in the morning before work. For this week's dinner, I was craving pasta, so that is what we're making. I'm taking this Barilla protein pasta. I'm also using extra lean ground beef. I usually get mine at Aldi. They didn't have the kind that I usually get, so I just picked up this one. I also am taking a frozen pack of sweet peas and some marinara sauce. I'm sure my Italian ancestors are like, girl, what are you doing using jar sauce? But it is what it is. I'm taking Italian seasoning here to season up the ground beef, and then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder and some Himalayan salt. And we're just going to cook that up. Next, I am cooking my pasta. I cook this at 9 minutes perfectly every time. The pasta comes out perfect, and then we're just going to throw it all into a bowl. These are my favorite kind of meals, super quick and easy. Throwing in the peas, throwing in the ground beef, and then I am going to throw in the sauce and mix it all together, and it just is the perfect, simple, warm, cozy meal, and a little bit more higher protein than normal. And I honestly was trying to get out every last bit of sauce because you know that the pasta will dry it up really quick. So for dinner, I'm just going to have this and probably a side salad. I'll probably have like a cup and a half of this, and it's perfect. It helps me stay full, and also just gives me that nice, warm, cozy winter meal feel. And I can still enjoy pasta while being in a calorie deficit. So that is dinner for the week. So that is this week's meal prep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more meal prep videos, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, because it definitely lets me know that this is some content that you guys are definitely interested in. Also wanted to let you guys know that I do have a weight loss journey Instagram page. It's called Steps Fit Journey. I'll leave it down below. It will be linked with my normal Instagram and then also my weight loss Instagram. I'm trying to get back into the swing of thing and like post more on there. If you guys want to see like quick meals that I'm making, I would definitely go check out that Instagram, because I sometimes will post it on my stories. If you guys have any other video requests that you would like to see here about my weight loss or anything like that, leave it down below and I can definitely do those videos for you guys. We are on the road to hitting my goal weight, and I'm just really trying to push myself this year to reach those goals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye.
Don't have many troubles, but I think you just caught 'em.